Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your logo to a Canva certificate design. So this is the design I created in Canva, for example, and I want to add my logo to brand my company. To do this, to add your logo, you need to go to Uploads and select Uploads. Then, for example, this is the logo I want to add, and that's my branding logo. So I will just click on my logo and it will appear on the page. And I'll just resize it. And maybe I'll add it at this point and position it like this. If you want to reposition it, just click on it like this, and you can resize it as well. Now if you want to remove the edges and fit it like this, simply adjust it as needed. If you want to edit the text, just double-click on the text and you'll be able to. If you want to change the color of elements, just select the element and experiment like this. If you want to add other elements, go to Elements and choose any element you like. Once you're ready to go and your design is finished and ready to export, you need to go to Share and select Download, and you can download in any format you prefer. If you want a printable file, you can download it as a PDF here. If you want it as a video, it's available here, but requires a Pro subscription. For GIF format, these are available as well. So now you've learned how to add your logo to certificates when designing in Canva. If you have any questions about this video, please comment below. I'll answer all your questions, and I'll see you in the next video.